Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths, lesson 2, measurements. Now I explain the trapezium shape. A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as a trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. Here a and b are the length of parallel sides and h denoted by height. If the non-parallel sides of trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. Now I explain exercise 2.3 in first Roman. Find the missing value. In first sum given, height of the trapezium is equal to 10 meter. Then parallel side A is equal to 12 meter. Another parallel side B is equal to 20 meter. Find the area of the trapezium. We are using this formula. Area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied with height multiplied with a plus b square units. Here height is equal to 10 meter. A plus b is equal to 12 plus 20. So we have 1 by 2 multiply with 10 multiply with 12 plus 20 is equal to 32. Simplify in two table. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Now multiply with 5 multiply 32. We have 160 meter square. So area of the trapezium, the given sum is equal to 160 meter square. In the second one, given one parallel side A is equal to 13 centimeter. Another one parallel side we consider B is equal to 28 centimeter. And area of the trapezium is equal to 492 centimeter square. We find the height of the trapezium. Given area of the trapezium is equal to 492 centimeter square. Then area of the trapezium formula 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with 2 parallel side is equal to 492. We substitute the value for parallel sides. We have 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with 13 plus 28 is equal to 492. So 13 plus 28 is equal to 41. We have 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with 41 is equal to 492. Here the division number change into the multiply. In multiply number change into the division in the RHS side. So we have height is equal to 492 multiply with 2 divided by 41. We simplify into the 41 table. 1 41s are 41. 12 41s are 492. So the remaining number is 12 multiply with 2. So 12 2s are 24 centimeter. So we have the height of the trapezium is equal to 24 centimeter. In the third sum, height of the trapezium is equal to 19 meter. One parallel side B is equal to 16 meter. And area of the trapezium is equal to 323 square meter given. So we find the another one parallel side A. So already we know area of the trapezium is equal to 323 meter square. Using this formula 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with 2 parallel sides. Sum of the two parallel sides A plus B is equal to 323. Here we substitute in height and the value of height 1 by 2 multiply with 19 multiply with A plus B is equal to 16 is equal to 323. Here the division number 2 go that side in multiply. In multiply number 19 go that side division. So we have in left hand side A plus 16 is equal to 323 multiply with 2 divided by 19. Here simplify in 19th table. 1 19s are 19, 17 19s are 323. So 17 2s are 34. So a plus 16 is equal to 34. A is equal to plus 16, go that side, minus 16. Then 34 minus 16 is equal to 18. So parallel side of the trapezium is equal to 80 meter. The fourth one, given height is equal to 16 centimeter. Then parallel side A is equal to 15 centimeter. Then area of the trapezium given 360 centimeter square. So we find the another one parallel side B. Already we know area of the trapezium is equal to 360 centimeter square. Using this formula, 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with sum of the two sides is equal to 360. Here substitute in height and A plus B value. 1 by 2 multiply with 16 multiply with 15 plus B is equal to 360. In division number 2, go that side, multiply. Then multiply number, go that side, division. So we have 15 plus B is equal to 360 multiplied by 2 divided by 16. Here 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16. So the remaining number is 360 divided by 8. We simplify now in 8th table. 1 8s are 8, 4 8s are 32, remainder 40, then 5 8s are 40. So 45. So 15 plus B is equal to 45. B is equal to 45 minus 15. B is equal to 45 minus 15, 30 centimeter. So the parallel side of B is equal to 30 centimeter. In exercise 2.3, second sum, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter given. Then find the area of the trapezium. Parallel sides A is equal to 24 centimeter, B is equal to 20 centimeter. The distance between them we consider height is equal to 15 centimeter. Then area of the trapezium, using this formula, 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with sum of the two parallel sides A plus B square units. So substitute the given values. 1 by 2 multiply with 15 multiply with 24 plus 20. Then 24 plus 20 is equal to 44. So we have 1 by 2 multiply with 15 multiply with 44. In simplify in 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 22 2s are 15. Here we multiply into 15 into 22. So 15 multiply with 22, 2 5s are 10, remainder 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Again 2 5s are 10, remainder 0, 1, 2 1s are 1. Adding now 3. So we adding 330. So 15 into 22, we have 330 centimeter square. So area of the trapezium is equal to 330 centimeter square. In the third one, the area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel sides is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. Then let the other parallel side be B centimeter. Already given one parallel side A is equal to 84 centimeter. Then the distance between its parallel side is height, that is 26 centimeter. And also given area of the trapezium is equal to 1586 square centimeter. Already we know the area of the trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 multiply with height multiply with a plus b is equal to 1586. Substitute the given value. We have 1 by 2 multiply with 26 multiply with 84 plus b is equal to 1586. Here we simplify into two table. We have 1 2s are 2, 13 2s are 26. In multiply 13 is go that side in division. So we have 84 plus b is equal to 1586 divided by 13. Now we divide in this number in 13. We have 1586. First 1 13s are 13. Remainder 2. Put the value in 8. We have 28. 2 13s are 26. Remainder 2. Put the value 6. 2 13s are 26. The remainder is 0. We have the quotient 122. So 84 plus b is equal to 122. So b is equal to plus 84, go that side, minus 84. So 122 minus 84 is equal to 38. So b is equal to 38 centimeter. So the other parallel side of the trapezium is equal to 38 centimeter. So dear students, today we learnt about how to find the area of the trapezium, the height of the trapezium and parallel sides of the trapezium. Thank you.